Ako si Egyet Borleo.
I'm Evelyn Mendoza.
Hello, I'm Christina Atienza.
Hi, I'm Glenda Rolian.
Hi, I'm Bing Daza.
Cried and cried. I just cried and cried. Parang, oh my God, why?
Shock! Ang lamig.
Ano gagawin natin? Ang gagawin? Which is wrong. Dapat pala I process it properly. Dapat pala nag-iiyak ako. Dapat pala nagsisigaw ako.
I noticed something na sa kanya nung 8 months pa lang. Iba siya. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam yung autism na yan.
Talagang mahirap sa umpisa, mahirap. Pero ang pinagdaanan ko, puro sa Diyos. Diyos lang lagi ang aking nilalapitan. Lagi siya kanya lang ako nagsasabi. Natulungan kami na makayanan.
Francesca, when she was 4, because she couldn't speak. Until my mother-in-law, very sharp, get a medical opinion. So kami naman, what? Okay lang siya man. No?
So they went to a lot of speech pathologists, OT, special education teacher, all the works. It's not a joke, it's magastos. Per hour, they charge, an arm and a leg. You want the best for your kid. And mind you, I have 2.
So when he was young, our only wish was for us to be able to go to a restaurant and eat in peace. Every time we eat out, EG will be lost. He'll be in the other table getting Pepsi or Coke from somewhere. Or he'll go to the kitchen and go to the pizza chef. All of the therapies, they made him adapt.
The company offered an early retirement. So I decided, sir, mag-a-avail ako. I have to attend to Ian personally. Simula 2 years old siya, ako na yon.
Nung bata pa lang siya, gusto ko nang mag-resign. Pero naisip ko, paano ka mapapag-aral kung wala kang trabaho, isa lang mag-work, hindi kaya. Bala ko sana ngang mag-abroad, pero hindi ko pala kayang iwan.
Ako yung si no person. Kasi I think it's easier to say yes. Lalo na pagka ganyan ka-sweet, di ba? But if you know it's not the right thing to do. So I'm the one that puts the rain on the family actually.
Before I was babying them, I thought that I was giving them the favor of, okay, kasi may guilt eh. Bigay ka ba? Hindi pala, it's tough love. Which I did. Tough love.
I kept telling her, you can do it, anak, you can do it. It's okay if you're slower, you will do it. You will finish it. Finish it in your time. You can do it. You can do it.
Sakripisyo. The word is sacrifice. Kung noon, corned beef ang ulam ninyo, di mag-try kayo. Sardinas naman. Para makaipon ka, para mabigay mo dun sa anak mo.
Maraming sacrifice, parang gusto mong ma-promote, magte-train ka kung saan-saan. Hindi mo nagawa kasi gusto mong matutukan yung anak mo.
Who will take care of her when I'm gone, right? Reaction call to tell my son, pick a wife who's going to say yes to Francesca.
EG is almost 30. So, but, what will he do now? His dad and I, we will not be here forever. So our dream is not only for EG to exist, but to thrive.
Keep on wondering what's next. What challenge is there?
Paano kaya pag wala na kami? Paano kaya si Ian pagtanda?
Wala na kami, wala nang mag-guide sa kanya kasi hindi naman siya makakapag-asawa.
Kasama ko na nga siya, as assistant ko siya sa accounting ko. Southstar Drug nag-open. 27 kaming applicants. Kinuha kami lahat ni Southstar. Sign siya sa accounting. Noong December, 7 years na siya. Mommy, I have a good news for you. Tapos may salary increase siya.
Thank you, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day.
Hindi biro. Hindi biro ang magparal sa special school. Ang mahal. Magkakandautan ka talaga para matustusan yung pag-aaral. Pero tiyagain kasi may improvement. May improvement pag nakapag-aral sa school, ng special school. Yun, nag-work siya sa Unilab ng 6 months. Tuwing payday, binibigyan niya akong ng 4,000, ganun. Tapos pagka yung mama, pambili ng ulam, binibigyan niya ako ng pambiling ulam. Kakatulong na siya sa amin.
Mama, salamat po sa lahat po ng sakripisyo po at tulong niyo po sa akin. I love you. Happy Mother's Day po.
Thank you.
For all the years that I've gone through, if it weren't for your support, I would be who I am today. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day, and I love you. I love you, Anak.
Hi Mom, I will help you solve problems and also I'll take good care of you when you get older. Happy Mother's Day.
Thanks, anak. Love you.
I will be here for you and I will stay by your side. And I will be loving you forever. Happy Mother's Day.